Unwinding the secret behind healthy hair. Pure coconut milk extracted from fresh coconuts. It is then perfectly split into oil and water with a smooth and fast stirring process. The virgin coconut oil gets blended together with 11 herbs that are proven to be great hair care agents by several studies. Bringraj, rich with ecliptine, enriches hair growth. Swetakurja, an antimicrobial agent. Neem preserves health of scalp and strengthens hair. Aloe vera prevents premature graying and nourishes the scalp. Amla helps preserve the color and youthfulness of hair. All the goodness of these precious herbs, along with virgin coconut oil, works on the scalp and helps it resist hair fall the natural way. Indulekha.
थोड़े बहुत बाल झड़ना नॉर्मल है, पर नए बाल दोबारा ना उगना हेयर फॉल की रियल प्रॉब्लम है। रीजंस हैं तो गैर मुफीद तेल और गलत तरीका इस्तेमाल। इसका हल है
हेयर फॉल रोके, ग्रोथ बढ़ाए, रिजल्ट में वाज़ेह फर्क नजर आए।
हफ्ते में 3 बार 4 महीने तक इस्तेमाल, बाल बनाए लंबे, घने, स्याह, चमकदार।